have cables hanging everywhere. Do you want to know how to use the zip tie professionally? So I'll show you step by step how you can do this, so that way you don't cut your fingers there or anything like that. So I have this little gun that you see here, and I have a few zip ties, so I'm going to show you closely, so that way you see how it is done. Alright, so all you have to do is grab the zip tie, as you can see here, and you have to put it like that, and then you start squeezing until it pops, and you will see. So now in this case, as you can see, I'm going to make a small hole in this area. There we go. So now grab the zip tie. Easy. So grab it, and then all you have to do, just put it like this in this hole, as you can see. And there we go. So now you have it almost all the way. So all you have to do is just put it like that. And there we go. So it will close it as much as possible, and it will cut it, and that's it. So very easy, and it works great. So more than what I was expecting. So if you want to change, I think is the thickness of the zip tie. You have to turn this wheel that you see here, and you will see different numbers here, and that's it. So if you want to keep learning about tools, go to the playlist on my YouTube channel. I have more videos organized by categories or topics, and you can learn whatever you want to learn. If you have any questions, leave me in the section below, and I'll leave you the link. So if you want to buy this or whatever, so that way you can do the same job that I did. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.